Welcome to Core Java tutorial. Now we are going to see about interface. So what is an interface? So interface is similar to class, but it contains only what? Declarations of variables and methods. So inside the class we can define the method, whereas in case of interface we can only declare. Okay, so by default, interface variables are public, static, and final. So, what is public here? The visibility level. So, what about static? So, without creating object for interface, we can invoke that interface variables. So, next come to final. So, what is final? So, it will become a constant. So, next interface methods. Interface methods are public and abstract. So public indicates what? Accessibility of the method. So which is accessible in the same class, subclass, and also inside the package. So what about abstract? So abstract methods should be overridden. So this abstract method is opposite of final method. So in case of final method, we can't do method overridden, but abstract method should be overridden. So see a simple code. So how to define an interface? So first the keyword interface followed by the interface name. Interface name is any valid user defined name and list of braces. So inside this interface, now we are going to declare a method. So note it down. So this semicolon indicates what? So we are only declaring this method show. So next we are going to inherit this interface inside this test class. So class test. So note it down this keyword implements. So if it is a class, then the keyword is, yes, it is extends, whereas in case of interface the keyword is implements. Right, so inside this class now we are going to define this show method, public void show. So here we are simply going to display a message, system dot out dot println. So system is the built-in class, out is the static member, and println is the method, right? Now we are going to define our main method, public static void main. So for this, array of string objects as argument. So now we are going to create an object. For which one? For test or L1? Yes, it is for test. So how to create an object in Java? First class name followed by object name equal to new keyword. So what is this test here? Yes, it is a default constructor. So now we are going to invoke this show method with the help of this object t.show. So see this output here. So first we are compiling this test.java with the help of JavaC compiler. So after compilation, see the classes which are generated by this compiler by using this dir command. So see these classes. So two classes are generated. So one is for this interface L1 and another is for this test class. Okay. So now which is to be interpreted? Yes, Java test. So the reason is, so this test class contains what? Main method, right? So the output is what? Hello. So now answer me. So class A. So now I am going to inherit this class A from class B. So class B dash A. So this is a single inheritance. How? So one superclass, so which is A. So here one derived class. So that is subclass B. So what will be the keyword here? Yes, extends. So the keyword is extends. So see another example. So this is interface L1. So now I am going to inherit an interface L2 from L1. So what will be the keyword here? Yes, again it is extends. So one more example. So here it is multiple inheritance. So class A, whereas interface L1. So now we are going to create a subclass from class A and interface L1. So what are all the keywords comes in this place? So here first is extends, whereas the second is implements. Yes. Okay, so see this, find me. A extends B. Now, who is A and who is B? So both A and B are classes, are interfaces. Only two choices. A and B are classes, are interfaces. So see another example. A implements B. Now find who is A and B. So here A is what? Yes, class. Whereas what about B? Yes, it is an interface. A is a class, whereas B is an interface. So there are multiple number of interfaces. So tagging interface, markable interface, remote interface. So try to Google these three interfaces and find the answer.